Now this illustration deals with square boxes, and we're using an extension ring to provide more fill area. Now it's a regular square box, 314.16A1, as well as table 314.16A. The square inch box is 25.5 cubic inch. And if we add the extension ring that will have the additional fill, it would be twice 25.5, or whatever the extension ring is listed as providing. Now, every inspector I've been around, they'll only allow one extension ring for the fill, but you could use more than one to get to an area, such as in a wall, a 12-inch haydock wall. Somebody knocked the conduit back further away from the surface of the 12-inch block. Then you could use maybe 2 or 3 of them to get you out to where it'd be flush enough that you could mount your cover with a little dome on it for mounting a receptacle, for example. But notice in the loop, to really get a good handle on this, 314.16A, 314.22, and 314.17A, as well as 314.23, an electrician gets a good feeling for what's required when you use an extension ring. Now again, the raceway is the EMT, so the EMT is used as an equipment ground. The fittings you can't see because it comes in behind there, but we're using an EMT connector that's listed for grounding and so forth. Now, with this information, we're ready to move to figure 12-17B, as in boy, little b, and perform the calculation.